Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to password protect a PDF using Adobe Reader in 2025. In our digital world, protecting sensitive documents like tax forms or personal files is crucial to prevent unauthorized access. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who values privacy, this quick guide will have you securing your PDFs in no time. First off, make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed on your device. It's free and can be downloaded straight from the Adobe website. Once that's sorted, open your PDF file by double-clicking it or selecting it from the File menu in Adobe Reader. Now, let's get into the steps. Head over to the right-hand side of the interface and look for the Tools panel. If it's not visible, go to the View menu at the top, then select Show, Hide, and Enable Tools. In the Tools panel, scroll down until you find the Protect or Security option. Click on that to open the security settings. Next, you'll see a prompt to add a password. Enter a strong, unique password in the designated field. Remember, a good password should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make it hack-proof. You'll need to confirm the password by typing it again. You can also choose what elements to protect, like preventing editing or printing. Once everything looks good, hit the Apply or Save button. Adobe Reader will encrypt your PDF, and you're done. Now, when someone tries to open this file, they'll need the password you set. Just a quick tip: always test your protected PDF by closing and reopening it to ensure the password works. If you forget your password, unfortunately, there's no easy recovery, so store it securely. This feature is a game changer for keeping your data safe, especially with the advancements in Adobe Reader for 2025, which make the process even smoother. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.